Right guys, good evening. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo on how to reset a drum notification, replace drum notification in your DCP L2550DW. Alright, so ang gagawin nyo ito lang. Okay, without anything, I know this will help you makasave kayo ng pera. So please bear with me everyone, and I hope you can get it. Mas madali lang to. So ito na yun. So all you have to do is itong front cover, yan, open nyo lang yung front cover, yan. Okay, since the cover yan, sasabi niya notification, front cover open. So ang gagawin nyo lang mga kaibigan, okay, press, if you see drum, replace drum, press OK and then plus, okay, then OK plus. So ayan, kita nyo, ayan. So drum reset, so all you have to do is just press the OK, kasi drum na yan, no? Okay, drum. Or if you want to, yan, reset menu, ayan, one lang talaga yan, drum, yan, okay, ayun, then up plus, right, then accept, sabi niya accepted na. So since the cover is open, babalik tayo sa dati. So yung gagawin nyo, close ulit, and ayun na. Alright, so ganyan lang mga kaibigan, no need of technical okay, so wala na. See, wala nang replace drum. So, ganun lang po. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.